Hey there, Dr. Lindsay with Inside Out Strength and Performance. We're going to be taking you through the posterior hip mob. This is a great way to give yourself some relief if you're experiencing some hip pain. Also to help kind of free up the hip a little bit and get some more motion when you're doing squatting, lunging, and those types of activities. So let's check it out. You're going to start down on the ground, and you want the leg or the hip that you're trying to address to be in a little bit of external rotation. Meaning we're looking at this part of your femur or your thigh bone is going to be facing this way, and your feet are going to go that way. So you can see I'm kind of in this position to start. My back knee is going to go towards my ankle. So that's going to kind of anchor that spot in. And then the important thing is what you're doing with this side. So you want to actually think about driving your knee down through the ground, which is going to allow for this part of the hip to get a little bit more pressure to that spot to allow for more mobility to get worked through. So while you're in this position, you're going to kind of explore a little bit and move around, going forward and back, side to side, but you're still really trying to get that knee and this part of your thigh bone directed with the force towards the ground like this. Gentle to moderate pressure. And you're moving around this way. You'll feel more of a sensation through your glutes or the back of your hip right here, which is where you want to be feeling it for this one. And moving around here for a minute or so. It shouldn't be painful. It might feel stiff for some people, but as you're working through it, it shouldn't bother too much. So moving around in those positions, but again, driving that knee down through the ground and feeling that through the back of the hip. And with this one, try doing a squat or something beforehand, and then check afterwards to do that squat. See how it feels. Has anything changed? Does it feel better? Are things moving easier? Just give yourself that test, retest, because that's a great way to find out if the work that you're doing is helping or making any change for you. Check this one out. Let us know what you think.